Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a classic Waldorf salad. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. We're talking about crisp, fresh apples, crunchy celery, and toasted walnuts. These three form the heart of our salad. For the dressing, we'll use creamy mayonnaise, brightened with a touch of lemon juice, and seasoned simply with salt and pepper. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, wash and core about 2 or 3 medium-sized apples, then dice them into half-inch pieces. Do the same for 2 stalks of crisp celery. Next, roughly chop about 1 cup of walnuts. Once everything is prepped, gently combine the diced apples, celery, and chopped walnuts in a large mixing bowl. The dressing is simple yet crucial for that classic Waldorf flavor. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a lovely tang. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix until it's smooth and well combined. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the creamy dressing over the apple, celery, and walnut mixture in the large bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients until every piece is evenly coated. For best flavor, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Serve this delightful salad on a bed of fresh lettuce leaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.